Hi, welcome viewers. I am Shishi, welcome to our Cachu spot. Mr. Cachu will explain you how we are screen lock and unlock without using power button.
Hi, I am Cachu. Totally, 3 method is there, without using power button. Which one is okay for you? Just use it. First method is Shishi will explain you.
First method, just see the video. First tap to open setting. Scroll down and select the setting. And select fourth option of button shortcuts. Tap to open it. After that, fourth option, turn off screen is there. Just choose the button, home button, menu button and back button, is there. Which one is comfort, just select that. After select the button, just go to the home screen. Which button you choose? Long press the button, mobile will turn screen off. I am selected the back button to use off the screen now. Long press the back button, mobile screen lock. Second method, Cachu will explain you.
Hi, this is a second method. Just scroll down the notifications bar and swipe left side. One edit option is there. Tap to open the edit option. Press and hold the lock screen icon. Drag the icon to place at the top of the page. Just select done. Just touch the icon, screen will off. This is a third method. Somebody maybe know about the setting. Okay, third method is just open the setting. Scroll down and tap to open additional setting. Just see the 7th option, quick ball. Tap to open the quick ball. Just turn on the quick ball. Just see one ball is the red side. Which location you want to place the quick ball. Just touch the ball and drag it. Just touch lock icon. Screen will closed.
Thank you for watching videos. This is useful for the somebody having side power button issue like endless response who are suffer the button issue. They have get better relief. Thank you. Bye bye.
Just see the next video. I will explain you how to unlock the screen without using power button.